Climbing stairs can feel like a workout, especially if you're over 60, right? That burn in your thighs or the little wobble in your knees can really shake your confidence. But guess what? You can make those stairs feel way easier again. I am about to share 3 super simple exercises that will help you build the strength and stability to tackle any staircase like a champ. No need for complicated gym routines. These moves are easy and can be done right at home. Ready to boost your stair climbing game? Let's dive in. First up, we have the absolute king of leg exercises, the sit-to stand. This move is fantastic because it directly mimics the action of standing up and provides the foundation for climbing. All you need is a sturdy chair. Sit on the edge with your feet flat on the floor, about hip width apart. Keep your chest up and your back straight. Now, without using your hands, push through your heels and stand up tall. Then, slowly and with control, lower yourself back down until you're seated again. That's 1 repetition. The key here is control, especially on the way down. This builds strength in your quads and glutes, which are your main stair climbing muscles. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions. If it's too challenging at first, feel free to use your hands for a little assistance and gradually reduce your reliance on them as you get stronger. Our second exercise is the calf raise. You might not think about your calves much, but they play a crucial role in pushing off each step. Weak calves can make you feel heavy and unstable. For this one, stand near a wall or a countertop for balance. Place your feet flat on the floor. Slowly rise up onto the balls of your feet, lifting your heels as high as you can. Hold for a moment at the top, feeling that squeeze in your calf muscles, and then slowly lower your heels back to the ground. That's 1 rep. This exercise improves your ankle strength and the propulsive force you need for each step. Try to do 15 to 20 repetitions. To make it a bit more challenging, you can perform it on 1 leg at a time, but make sure you have solid support. The final exercise in our powerhouse trio is the single leg stance. Balance is just as important as strength when it comes to stairs. Each step you take is essentially a moment of balancing on 1 leg. Improving this will make you feel much more secure. Stand next to a wall or a sturdy piece of furniture for support. Shift your weight onto 1 leg and lift the other foot off the ground, bending your knee. Try to hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds without wobbling. Keep your standing knee slightly bent, not locked, and focus on a spot in front of you to help maintain your balance. After holding, switch to the other leg. This exercise strengthens the small stabilizer muscles around your hips and ankles, which is vital for preventing falls. As you get better, you can try closing your eyes for a few seconds to really challenge your balance. And there you have it, the only 3 exercises you need to make climbing stairs a breeze again. The sit-to stand for power, the calf raise for propulsion, and the single leg stance for stability. The best part, you can do these anywhere, anytime. Consistency is key, so try to incorporate them into your routine at least 3 to 4 times a week. You'll be amazed at how quickly you notice a difference in your strength and confidence on the stairs. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Listen to your body and move at your own pace. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on staying active and strong at any age. We'll see you next time.